Good day everyone, I'm Hannah Kishiringo and I'm here to introduce our small business product, Kapenihan, our coffee with cookies combo. Here. For only 105 pesos, you get a freshly brewed cup of coffee paired with soft, crunchy chocolate chips cookie. Our coffee is made with quality beans that give a smooth, rich flavor, and our cookies are baked with the perfect balance of sweetness and crunch. This combo is perfect for students, worker, and anyone who needs a boost of energy during a busy day. Instead of buying expensive cafe drinks, Cafe Nihan gives you the same satisfying experience at a budget-friendly price. It's affordable, delicious, and convenient. So if you're looking for a comforting treat that keeps you energized and relaxed, try our coffee with cookies combo today. Cafe Nihan.